In this video, I will show you how you can convert your selected photos into a PDF file. So let's get started. First of all, just open the Photos app, then select the photos which you want to convert into a PDF file. Just tap on Select and select the photos from here. For example, I will select these photos. Now just tap on the Share button. Now from here, just select Save to Files. Now in the Files app, just select where you want to save your files. Now for an example, I'll save my files right here. Just open the folder or the location, or you can create a separate folder on your Files app. Just tap on the three dots over here and select New Folder. You can name the folder whatever you like, just like that. Then tap on Save. Tap on Save one more time to save the photos in the selected folder. Then go to your home screen and open the Files app. In the Files app, just open the folder where you have saved your photos. If you cannot find your folder over here, just tap on Browse and open the folder where you have saved your photos. As you can see, these are the photos which I want to convert into a PDF file. Now from here, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on Select. Now just select the photos which you want to convert into a PDF file. Then tap on the three dots over here. Tap on Quick Actions and tap on Create PDF. And once you do that, you will create a PDF file of the selected photos. Just like that. As you can see, if I tap on the drop-down arrow over here, as you can see, the document is saved as a PDF file. Just like that. And this is how you can create PDF file on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.